Hello guys and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency video. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing you all the latest cryptocurrency video. And today Bitcoin is about to trick a lot of people, and I'll show you some very huge signals which we are seeing on the chart. So make sure you sit back, relax and enjoy the video, right? And so as you can see, market cap is increasing, our daily volume is also increasing, right? And some very huge signals are very popping up on the chart right here. And without further ado, let us move to the chart, right? So we are on the chart right here for Bitcoin. Bitcoin versus the USD Theta. We are on the 4 hourly time frame, and Binance is the data source. And you would remember right there from the 30 to the 30 or $29,000 level. I said for any reason, if we begin to see some sort of ranging price action below this 200 EMA, this is the blue line right here, which is the 200 EMA, unless expect some sort of push to the downside, right? We saw that push to the downside of about how many percent right here? We saw the push to the downside of about 15%. We saw some very huge consolidation, a huge fake out to exactly, I mean, guys, you cannot mistake this, exactly to the 200 EMA. We weren't able to hold the 200 EMA. We dumped back, and currently the same thing is happening. We are currently having some sort of, as you can see, range price action below this 200 EMA. Now this means a lot, right? This shows that Bitcoin is very bullish, and I'm going to prove to you, I'm going to show you a lot of signals that is showing that Bitcoin is very bullish, and we are about to see minimum a very huge push of about 15% over the next few days, and possibly the start of a very huge bull run, right? First thing we love to see, right, if we look right here on our TDI, the TDI currently is holding at the top, which means prices are very bullish. Anytime we see the TDI come above this yellow line, it means Bitcoin is very bullish. And also on the bigger time frames, we are seeing a very huge signal showing that the bottom is in right there for Bitcoin. As you can see, we have the TDI right here, and this is Bitcoin right here on the weekly. Now, I'm going to show you something. Every single time we saw the oscillator on the TDI come below the TDI, right, that was the bottom. As you can see right here, it is happening exactly right here at the moment. The same thing happened on 20th of June of 2022. We saw the oscillator come below the, as you can see, the TDI's channel. That was exactly the bottom right there for Bitcoin at the $16,000 level. We saw the same thing also happen during the last bull run, right? As you can see, exactly before we saw that push to the $69,000 level. As you can see, we saw that push below the TDI channel, right? That was right here at the $27,000 level. We later saw that push to the $69,000 level right there for Bitcoin. The last time we also saw the TDI flash was right here at the 16th of March. This was the COVID crash, and we saw Bitcoin push from 6,000 right down there to 64,000, right? So that is one of the things we just have to consider, that we are seeing bottoming structures form right here on the weekly right here for Bitcoin, and hence we are seeing also these very huge consolidation taking place. As you can see, prices have already pushed above these 33 and 55 EMAs, right? This was acting as very huge resistance, especially right here on the 4 hourly time frame. As you can see, every single time we crossed to the bottom, we started having some sort of consolidation cross to the bottom. We were expecting some kind of dump, right? But currently we are consolidating. As you can see, we are consolidating and pushing to the upside, which means we should expect some sort of a pump. And remember, we have said this, right? This is on the higher time frames. This is how to spot the bottom. Every time we saw right here at a push of this oscillator below this channel, that was the bottom for Bitcoin. So that was the bottom for Bitcoin. We have been saying this, and you have to get this, guys. This is the bottom. Every time we flashed, that was the bottom. Every time we flashed, that was the bottom. As you can see, flashed right here, 28th of August. We are about to see the beginning of a very, very huge bull run happen right here. Every single time we flashed, that was exactly the bottom for Bitcoin, right? Every single time we flashed, that was the bottom. And so we probably could see another pump right here to the $50,000 level. We are should expect to see another probably 80% pump right there for Bitcoin, as this is showing very, very huge bottoming structures right here. Every time we wanted to see this oscillator come below, as you can see the channel, the moment we went below the channel, as you can see right here, it means we were very oversold on the weekly, and that was the bottom for Bitcoin every single time, as you can see right here. And we are flashing right here again. We flashed right there on the June of August, right? And it means we were bullish. Yes, we went sideways for a very, very huge long time, but we later saw that pop to the upside, right? So could we see some sort of a fake out? Very, very possible, right? We could see some sort of a fake out to just scare a lot of people, but guys, the bottom is in, and we should expect some very, very huge push to the upside. Every single time that has flashed, that has shown us that that was the bottom for Bitcoin. As you can see from the beginning, from 2018, we flashed right here. As you can see, 2,800. We saw that push right there, exactly to the $13,000 level. We flashed right here on the 20th of March. We saw that push right there to the $64,000 level. Same thing right here. We flashed right there on May of 2021. We saw that push to the $69,000 level. The same thing happened right here. We flashed right here on the 20th of June, and we saw that push right there to the $31,000 level. Currently, we are seeing that flash happen again. So guys, expect a push to the upside right there for Bitcoin. As you know, this is very, very bullish. This is on the longer time frame. Short time frames, we are still bullish as we're about to go above the 200 EMA. So this is very, very bullish right there for Bitcoin. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.